Struggling to correctly book expenses in Zoho Books? Learn the exact 18-step process to record expenses flawlessly in under 3 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find the expense module, then how to fill in account, amount, tax, vendor, and finally customer details for a clean entry. Open up Zoho Books to get started. Then, click on Purchases from the left menu. Now select Expenses to see the expenses list. Go ahead and click the New button to create a new expense. Click on the Select an Account dropdown. For example, choose Automobile Expense from the list. Type in the amount for the expense. Now, click on the Select an Account for Paid Through. For example, pick Opening Balance Offset. Click on the Select a Tax dropdown. For example, select Sales Tax at 8%. Click on the Vendor field and select a vendor. For example, choose Bobby AI. Type in the reference number if you have one. Add any notes you'd like to include. Click on Select or Add a Customer. For example, pick Acme Solutions, Inc. Finally, hit Alt-S to save the expense. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.